morning, students. Today I am taking your English class. Topic is noun. As you know, the noun is the word that are used to name people, places, animal or thing are called naming words or noun. For example, Mohit. Mohit is a name of person. Market. Market is the name of place. Elephant. Elephant is an animal. Pencil. Pencil is a thing. And Jaipur is the name of place. Here are some more examples. Person. Ankita. Ankita is a person, name of a girl. Girl. It's also name of a person. Teacher. Raman. Now place. Canada. Park. Red Fort. Animal. Dog. Tommy is a name of animal. Fish. Things. Car. Pencil. Bed. Box. These are the things. So all these are nouns. So let's do an exercise. Write the words given below in the correct column of the tables. Here are some words we have to write in the correct column. Okay, let's start. Lion. Lion is an animal, so we will write in the column of animal. Next, father is a name of people. Water is a thing. Tree, thing. Car, thing. Mumbai is a place. Rabbit, animal. Rita, people or person. Delhi, place. Fish, animal. Park, place. Box, thing. Pencil is also a thing. School, place. Giraffe, animal. Rohit, people. Got it? Now next is kinds of noun. There are two kinds of noun. First is proper noun and second is common noun. So what is proper noun? Proper noun is a name of particular person, place, animal or a thing. For example, Millie. Millie is the name of a girl. It's a particular name. We are talking about the particular Minnie. So it's a proper noun. In proper noun, always first letter is written in the capital letter. And in common noun, name of person, place, animal or thing is in general way. Like city, we don't have particular name of city. It's a city. It can be any city, so it's a common noun. Girl, any girl. Cherries, cow, festival. Now in proper noun, Jaipur, we are talking about a particular city, that is Jaipur. Timmy, English book, particular book, English book. Diwali is a festival. Now let's do an exercise. Find the proper noun from the words given in the box below, then write them in the space provided. We have to find the proper noun and write in the space. Animal. Animal is a common noun because there can be any animal, dog, cat, so it's a common noun. Alice, it's a particular name, so it's a proper noun. Mango is an fruit, but we are talking about a particular fruit, that is mango, so it's a proper noun. Shillong, it's a place. India, we are talking about a particular country, that is India. Red Fort. China, but sorry, we don't have space, so we will write here China. Market. Market can be any market, so we don't have an idea about a particular market, so it's a common noun. Street, we don't know about which street we are talking, so it's also a common noun. Let's understand with some sentences. Mohit loves to play hockey. Mohit is a particular name of boy, so it's a proper noun. Loves to play hockey. Hockey is a game, we are talking about the particular game, so it's also a proper noun. Carpenter, we don't know the name of carpenter, we are talking about the carpenter, community of carpenters, so it's a common noun. Makes furniture. Furniture is a thing, we are talking about the common furniture, so it's also a common noun. We are going to Mumbai. We is a common noun because there is no any particular name. Going to Mumbai. Mumbai is a place. We are talking about a particular city, so it's a proper noun. I hope you understand that what is noun and you can differentiate between the proper noun and common noun. So, thank you.